network allows users to mine digital coins directly on their smartphones. This innovative approach democratizes access to cryptocurrency for everyone. You don't need expensive hardware to participate in mining. Instead, Pi operates on a unique consensus mechanism. Users vouch for each other's good faith to secure transactions. This method minimizes environmental impact and fosters community. Members are incentivized to grow the network together. Pi Network is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a global movement to democratize digital assets. With a community-driven approach, Pi brings people together to build a decentralized future. Want to start mining Pi easily on your smartphone? Use my referral link below to join the network and earn bonuses. In the Pi network. Pi Network's highly anticipated mainnet is around the corner. Here's what that means for you and the future of Pi. I'm sure you've heard the news. The highly anticipated mainnet launch of Pi Network is on the horizon, and excitement is building up across the community. This event will mark a significant milestone in the journey of Pi Network, a moment that many have been eagerly waiting for. It will signify the network's transition into a fully operational and independent blockchain, a major leap forward in its development. The mainnet launch will unlock the true potential of Pi Network, opening up new possibilities and opportunities for its users. It will enable users to have complete control over their Pi tokens, allowing them to manage and utilize their digital assets with greater freedom and security. With the mainnet launch, Pi Network is expected to witness a surge in activity as more users engage with the platform and explore its capabilities. This will include trading, development, and adoption of various blockchain applications, driving innovation and growth within the ecosystem. The network will also introduce new features that will enhance user experience and functionality. This includes a decentralized marketplace, where users can buy and sell goods and services using Pi tokens. It will also include a governance system, empowering the community to participate in decision-making processes. These features will further enhance the utility and value of Pi tokens, making them more versatile and valuable. The exact date of the mainnet launch is yet to be announced, but the anticipation is growing every day. However, the Pi Network team is actively working towards this goal. They're making significant progress, ensuring that everything is in place for a successful launch. The anticipation within the community is palpable, with discussions and excitement buzzing across social media and forums. Everyone is looking forward to what the future holds for Pi Network. As we wrap up, we'll share some final thoughts and a few important disclaimers to keep in mind. Pi Network is set to be a game changer in Web3 and DeFi, making blockchain accessible for everyone. With its powerful ecosystem, Pi could truly be one to watch. If you haven't checked it out yet, why not take a look? Just imagine being part of something that's reshaping the future of the internet and finance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more, and drop a comment to share your thoughts. Let's grow this community as we dive deeper into the world of blockchain together. Catch you in the next video. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research and consult with professionals when considering any financial decisions. Thanks for watching.